welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching my new
video.
She's watching my videos. That was a test. I have a very special guest with me and this is my sister.
Loreen. Hi guys, my name is Loreen and today I'm with my sister.
Yeah, I'm going to do her makeup. I'm not only going to do her makeup, but I'm also going to transform her into me. So I'm going to do the exact same makeup look on you as I'm wearing right now.
I'm super curious.
And excited?
Yes.
Tell them what you wear usually.
Well, usually I always have one basic makeup, like always. I love bronze tones and I don't apply falsies. I don't use eyeliner.
I think a very, very soft glam.
A very soft glam.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so this is going to be a huge change.
Of course.
I'm very excited as well. I haven't applied makeup on someone else for so long, so I am actually very excited as well.
Me too. Let's start.
So obviously I'm going to use the same makeup products that I've used today on myself as well. So I already have everything in front of me, which makes it easier. First of all, my most annoying thing, put the hair out of the way. So I'm going to use the same primer that I've used on me, and actually you do have a little bit more of an oily skin, right?
Yes. Yeah.
So, well, yeah, this is temporary. Otherwise I would have used another.
Is this for dry skin?
This is actually for dry skin, but also for skin that needs a lot of moist.
Okay.
But since this is kind of like a trial, you're not going anywhere, so that's why I'm going to use the same products.
All right. Oh, so cool.
Just
refreshing.
Press it into the skin. I feel like a makeup artist right now. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to use the June & Co. sponge, and you were very curious to try this.
Yeah.
And I'm going to use the L'Oreal Pro Glow, which is not so very good for your skin, but we're just going to ignore the fact that it's not really good.
It's actually a lot. I don't use this.
Don't use this much? Oh my god, it's not a lot. What do you use then? Like the half?
Yeah.
On your whole face?
Yeah. I apply more concealer than I apply
okay.
foundation.
I do understand that. Well, not today, girl. We're caking it on.
I'm going to fall asleep.
Don't forget the ears. Look at the coverage.
Oh my god, that was mooi. Beautiful.
Mooi means beautiful, by the way, in Dutch. So you never use this much foundation?
No, actually not. I use more concealer than foundation, but if I use more foundation, it always looks so cakey. Doesn't make me...
Not with me.
Could not be my sister.
Okay, so that's it for the foundation. Looking very yellow, but we're going to fix that in a second. So for concealer, I'm going to use a very high covering concealer, Tarte Shape Tape underneath our eyes. So this is the first concealer. You guys know I love to use two concealers. Do you know I love to use two concealers?
No.
Are you even watching my videos?
I actually do. Do you use
well,
two?
You're not
I also, do you know that I use two concealers?
No, but you don't have a channel.
No, but I'm your sister, so you have to know that.
Oh, okay. Looking good. I'm wondering if you're going to look like me. People say that we kind of look like each other, but for
also,
some reason I don't really see it. But maybe your voice?
I only see it if I have makeup on.
You guys tell if we look like each other.
Sometimes I see it.
No, you always get so happy when people say that, huh?
Oh yeah, because you're beautiful.
Oh, thank you. I was just joking with you. Okay, so now I'm going to apply Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer in Whipped Cream. This is a very light concealer, and I'm going to really highlight some parts of the face with this. I know that looks weird, but we'll fix it in a minute.
I really like the foundation. It's beautiful.
Well, you can't have it if that's what you're
Why
aiming
not?
for. I'm kidding. I haven't.
Oh,
I have
okay.
two of them. You can have it if you clean up my room.
Picasso?
Okay, so concealer and foundation are applied. Okay, so you love to use a translucent powder, right?
Yes.
You haven't seen this one before. I just discovered this today. It's
What
Seal
is
de
it?
Dier from Lawless, and it's the best translucent powder ever.
But do you apply this with a beauty blender
Yeah.
or a brush?
You can apply it with both, but I used a blender today, beauty blender, and see the difference for yourself. Okay?
Okay.
Do you crease a lot underneath your eyes?
Not a lot, sometimes.
Okay, I'll give you a mirror.
I'm scared. Oh my god.
Yes, tell me what you see.
Oh my god.
Tell me what you see.
Amazing.
Blurry.
Never had a beautiful base before.
Oh.
I'm serious. This is amazing. It's beautiful. I like it. It's very beautiful.
Powder is beautiful, right?
Beautiful.
Look up.
What's the brand?
Lawless, and also they have a foundation that I love. It's woke up like this, very high covering as well.
Beautiful.
I feel like they deserve more recognition. Yes, exactly. So you get oily on the nose,
Mm-hmm.
a little bit on the forehead. I don't like to use a lot of powder, so you're not getting a lot of powder. Just a little bit. Can I check? Check, check. Yes, like it. Now we are going to give you some bronzer. Yeah, I've used this one today. I've used the balm. Take home the bronze. Have you ever used this?
No.
So people keep asking her if she has a huge stash because I'm her sister. And honestly, I checked her stash last time I was at my parents' house, and I was in shock. I was like, girl, we need to talk. So I gave her a bunch of stuff because I said,
I don't have a lot.
she's very polite though.
Yeah.
She always comes in here. I always ask her, what do you need? Oh, maybe just a powder.
No.
Or
Yeah, but
maybe one pencil if you have one. So polite. I love you for that.
I love you too. I only ask if I really need something. Like,
But if I give her like a box full of things, do you really
Girl.
don't need it? And then she's like, right, okay.
that's how it goes.
Of course. Okay, to bronze up the. Let me see your face. Oh. I didn't clean my brushes.
Oh. I'm kidding. Why are you saying it then?
I don't know, because I was like, oh my god, I didn't clean my brushes.
It's okay.
Don't
I
get all
forgive you.
diva on me.
Maybe I can have this concealer now because you just didn't clean your brush. So.
You're the what?
Oh no, nothing. I like soft contouring more than harsh lines.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't suit me.
Do you think mine's too harsh now?
No, absolutely not.
For a lot of people, it's really harsh.
Really?
Really?
Oh,
Okay. Are you ready for the highlighter?
always.
Oh my god, your base really does look like my base. Yes, that's when we like it. We know
Oh,
what
this
we
is the highlighter you were talking
Yes,
about.
it's Pretty Little Glow. And it's in collaboration with Doll Beauty. And I'm using the Jaclyn Hill brush in number 09.
You don't even make it wet?
Nope,
It's
not necessary.
necessary.
See that? Oh, you can't see it, but it's amazing.
I can't see it.
You can't, right?
I can.
Do you? Can you?
Yeah, it's beautiful. Champagne color?
Yeah, it's kind of like rose gold champagne. Blush is next. I've used Sigma Corderosa blush on me, so we are going to do exactly the same on you.
Oh, I like that color.
Yeah, just a little. So you have a little bit more cheeks than I have. So I'm going to begin right here. To make sure everything melts with each other, I'm going to apply Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist. Did you ever try this?
Can I see?
Probably not, it's too
No.
expensive. Close your eyes. Okay, don't talk because you will taste the lavender.
I don't like that.
Lavender!
No, I don't like
Makes
that.
me sleepy. Okay, off to brows. Let me check my brows. Okay. So we did the brows off camera, and now we are going to do the eyes. And the eyes are going to be pretty heavy. Are you ready?
I'm super ready.
Super smoky.
I can't wait.
So I've used the P. Louise. Do you know P. Louise?
No. I'm sorry, I can't be your sister. Am I really your sister right now?
P. Louise on Instagram.
Oh, I know P. Louise.
Okay, who is it then?
From Instagram. Someone from Instagram.
Well, P. Louise is so good. And she created this palette, and I love it. The pigmentation is insane.
Beautiful colors.
So we're going to use this, and we're going to use 2 colors of the Dose of Colors eyeshadow. So let's jump right in. I do think you have a quite unique eye space. Even though we both have kind of like hooded eyes, yours is a little bit more. And I do have a little bit more space between my eye and brow.
Yeah.
So, wish me luck.
These are my colors, actually. Beautiful. My colors.
We are going in with Latte. It's this shade right here, and I'm using Jaclyn Hill brush in number 31. You know Jaclyn Hill, right?
Of course, I know Jaclyn Hill.
Okay.
Can you hear his PlayStation?
Yeah, of course, always. Okay, now I'm going in with Sun Kissed, just a touch, not too much. Just a touch, not too much. I'm flowing here, freestyle.
Come on, please.
Okay, so I'm just playing with the colors, adding eyeshadow, and then adding a little bit more, blending it, adding it, etc. Okay, so it's pretty smoky already. What do you think?
I like it.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, you usually don't like eyeshadow.
No, I love eyeshadow.
Oh, okay.
But I don't like shimmer.
Smoky.
I love smoky, but you know, shimmer doesn't suit me.
Oh, well, we are going in with shimmer.
But I can't wait for shimmer.
Don't worry about that. Close your eyes. So we make sure there are no creases. I'm going in with Latte underneath your eyes. Let's look up. Okay. Starting to look like me. Okay, then up. Let's see, now we're going in with shimmer. Actually, this look is pretty easy and pretty fast. So I'm going in, I've used Jackpot. So the color of that eyeshadow is amazing. You'll see it for yourself. We are also going to use Lock Key on top.
Here, maybe it's this one?
Yes. Thank you for your assistance.
Welcome. I like it.
Look at this.
We like it.
Is that yours or mine?
No, I think it's mine.
Oh, so popular. Okay, close your eyes. Okay, so that's the first shimmer. And now we're going in with Lock and Key. Wow, you say you don't like shimmers? I'm gonna change your mind, girl. So I'm also going in to make it a little bit more smoky. I'm going in with Bestie, which is this shade right here, and we are going to darken up the crease. I'm using the brush from Jaclyn Hill in number 37. Okay, just a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to use both shimmer shades on your lower lash line to make it even more smoky. I think this is the most makeup you've ever worn in your life, right?
Right.
First I'm going to use Jackpot with my Jaclyn Hill 38 brush. So look up.
I always have powder in my contacts if I apply
Eyeshadow? I can never have that.
No?
Never had that problem.
Oh my god, I always have that one.
Okay, I'm going to use a little bit of Sun Kissed. Look up. Just going to make it a little bit more grungy. Okay, so now I feel like you need a little bit more blush because the smoky eye makes you a little bit more pale. I forgot to use something. What I did use on myself, it's the MAC Give Me Sun bronzer to give your face a little bit more warmth. So holding a big fluffy brush. Sometimes you're like, there's something wrong with my makeup, but I don't know what. And you look kind of like ashy and you don't know what it is exactly. So you put on bronzer and bronzer and bronzer and nothing really changes. So you need MAC Give Me Sun. That really adds a lot of warmth.
If there is one product that you have to use your entire life.
So I'm allowed to only wear one product?
Yes.
What
What
would
would
it
it
be?
be?
I mean, like, what would it be? Nothing on my eyes. I think that would be, I don't know, maybe brows, because I don't really have nice brows. But, or maybe like a glow for my face or a bronzer. Oh my god, no, it's just
Really?
too hard. Yeah, I need something
I
to
would
warm
say
up my face.
concealer or something like that. I really need to cover my dark circles and blemishes.
Yes, but if you can only cover up your dark circles, you're going to look very pale. But if you
Yeah,
have a
but not like
glowy
too much.
bronzer, maybe I would choose a glowy bronzer. So a bronzer and a glow, and we
That's
just
a
put
good
it
one.
over my whole face, so I look healthy like most of the time.
You're
you know.
smart.
I know,
You're
girl.
smart.
I know. Okay, we are going to do the lips. This is one of my favorite lip colors, so you're lucky enough to wear it. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Touch, and I'm going to use the lip liner Cork from MAC. You know, I love it a little bit more of a dark lip liner. I don't know if you same. Okay, cool.
I love lip liners. I can't live without it.
Me too, girl. Me too.
It's an organized mess. Organized.
Okay, now I'm going to apply some mascara. This is Iconic London. So look down. Like this. Yeah. Like that. Okay. Oh my god, I don't think you even need falsies. You don't even need falsies. Wow. So I'm going to apply her falsies off camera, and then we'll be right back to show you the end result. So I've applied the lashes, I put on some mascara, and I do think you look a lot like me.
Yes.
But like the darker version of
I
me.
love it actually. I never applied this much makeup, but I
Do you like
really
it?
like it. I love it.
I love it too. Isn't she
I love
beautiful?
it. You know, it's almost like a wedding makeup for me. So
You could marry with this makeup. Although I do think that this is going to be a little too much for a lot of people. But you know, if you're marrying, girl, you better rock your day.
I already have my makeup artist, so no problem.
So I hope you guys like this video. I had a lot of fun doing her makeup. And if you guys want to see more videos of us doing, I have no idea what, but maybe you'll have ideas to do another video. Maybe you have an idea. Maybe you can do my makeup.
Yeah, I am going to do your makeup.
That would
So
be a nice
nice.
video for the next time. Thank you so
Thank
much
you.
for joining.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know what you want to see. Maybe we can make more videos.
Yes, and don't forget to follow me on my other social channels.
Dilan Sabah.
Bye.
Bye.